Have you ever wondered if AI will take your job, or if it will simply change the way you work? Today, we're diving into how AI is reshaping the future of work, not by taking jobs away, but by transforming them in meaningful ways. AI has already woven itself into our daily work lives. It automates mundane tasks and enhances our creativity, making it a valuable assistant in the workplace. Just imagine sitting at your desk, no longer overwhelmed by a flood of repetitive emails. Instead, AI sorts through them for you, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Consider the shift from manual to AI-assisted workflows. Take an office worker, for example. In the past, they would spend hours compiling reports, a tedious and time-consuming process. Now, with the help of AI, those reports can be generated in just minutes. This incredible efficiency frees up time for more strategic thinking and collaboration with colleagues. AI is revolutionizing various industries in remarkable ways. In design, it helps create stunning visuals by suggesting styles and layouts. In coding, it quickly identifies bugs, speeding up the development process. In healthcare, AI assists doctors by analyzing patient data, enabling them to make more informed decisions. And in logistics, it optimizes supply chains, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Across the board, AI isn't replacing jobs, it's making them more efficient and effective. As we embrace AI, we're witnessing a shift from stress to empowerment. Initially, many people feared that AI would eliminate their roles altogether. However, as they discover how AI enhances their capabilities, they begin to feel more confident and engaged in their work. It's becoming clear that this is about collaboration, not competition. Let's take a closer look at the facts. While some repetitive tasks are indeed automated, many other tasks are significantly improved through AI assistance. This shift allows for a greater focus on creativity, interpersonal skills, and complex problem solving, areas where humans truly excel. The future of work isn't about AI taking over. It's about humans and AI working together. Imagine a customer service representative using AI to analyze customer interactions. Rather than spending their time handling routine inquiries, they can focus on building relationships and providing personalized assistance. This is the new landscape of work, where collaboration is key. As we move forward, it's important to remember that AI is a tool for empowerment. It's here to assist, enhance, and elevate our roles in the workplace. Embracing these changes opens up exciting new opportunities. The future is bright, and it's a future where you can thrive alongside AI.